Okay, so here are numbers 3 and 4. So why don't you try these two on your own? Write them in rectangular as a rectangular equation. Then write them in general form and identify what type of conic it is. So I would pause now. And when you are done, play the video. So for number 3, multiply 3 plus 3 cosine theta on both sides. So distribute the r. We get 3r plus 3r cosine theta equals 5. R cosine theta can be replaced with x. We still have an r. Subtracted 3x from both sides. So we've got 3r equals 5 minus 3x. We want to substitute something in for r. Remember, that's going to be r equals the square root of x squared plus y squared. Now we need to divide both sides by 3. Then we square. And so we get x squared plus y squared equals 5/3 minus x squared, which is 5/3 minus x times 5/3 minus x. Multiply it out. Remember, if you're going to get into the general form, okay, right here is where we have an equation without any r's or thetas. There's our rectangular equation. However, we want it in a form that makes sense to us. So that's why we write it in general form. And we can see we have two different quadratic terms. That's why our head should be in conic sections. We should be thinking about that. So we set it equal to 0, and we see we only have one quadratic term. That means that this is a parabola. In number 4, same steps. Multiply both sides by 3 plus 2 sine theta. Distribute the r. We get 3r plus 2r sine theta equals 6. R sine theta is the same as y, so replace, subtract 2y from both sides. We got to take care of this. We don't want r there. Substitute it in for an expression in terms of x and y. Divide both sides by 3. Square both sides. FOIL, because you have a binomial times a binomial. Write it in general form. And we see we've got two quadratic terms, and they are the same sign but different values. Therefore, this is an ellipse.